Ever faced the dreaded SMTP 421 4.4.1 error? It's a common roadblock for IT pros and marketers, halting crucial email delivery. But don't worry, we're here to help you diagnose, fix, and prevent it. This specific SMTP error occurs when a sending server fails to connect with the recipient's mail server. It often means the connection attempt didn't receive a response. This can severely impact your email operations. Network connectivity issues are a frequent culprit. Weak networks, blocked connections due to firewalls, or DNS resolution failures can all prevent successful communication. Ensure your network is stable and secure. Recipient mail server problems can also trigger this error. If the receiving server is down for maintenance, experiencing an outage, or simply overloaded, it won't respond. This is often beyond your direct control. Sender-side issues are another possibility. Your IP might be blacklisted, or your email provider could be throttling your sending volume. These measures prevent spam, but can temporarily block legitimate connections. Resolving SMTP 421 4.4.1 requires a structured approach. Even temporary delays can impact business operations. Let's explore specific steps for common email platforms. First, verify your internet connection is stable. Then, double-check your Gmail SMTP settings. smtp.gmail.com, SSL TLS, port 465 or 587. Send a test email to an external domain to confirm connectivity. If issues persist, consult the Gmail Help Center. Their support resources can provide platform-specific guidance. Conduct an SMTP compatibility review. Ensure your settings align with Yahoo's requirements. smtp.mail.yahoo.com, SSL, port 465. Review security settings or app passwords that might block connections. Adhere to Yahoo's sender guidelines, including maintaining a low spam rate and authenticating emails with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Valid DNS records are crucial for sending IPs. Try resetting your email account configuration. Simply remove and re-add the account in Outlook settings. This often resolves simple misconfigurations. Configure your SMTP settings correctly. smtp.office365.com, SSL, port 587. Clear your outbox of stuck emails and ensure your Outlook software is fully updated. Proactive measures can significantly reduce the occurrence of this error. Proper email server management and authentication methods are key. Configure your mail transfer agent, MTA, to automatically reattempt failed deliveries. Consider load balancing techniques to distribute traffic across multiple mail servers. This prevents overload during peak periods. Periodically verify your domain's DNS settings and MX records. Ensure they point to the correct mail servers. Misconfigured records are a common cause of email delivery failures. Enable TLS encryption for all email transmissions. Keep your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records current to prevent spoofing and maximize deliverability. Consider implementing IP whitelisting for trusted connections. While SMTP errors are inevitable, proactive tools can drastically reduce their impact. Warmy.io offers solutions to enhance deliverability and prevent SMTP-related issues. Warmy.io gradually increases your email volume, building credibility with email providers. This prevents emails from being flagged as spam or rejected due to sudden sending spikes. It mimics natural activity, reinforcing sender trustworthiness. Warmy.io provides free deliverability tests to check inbox placement across providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Regular scans ensure your sending IP and domain remain off blacklists, helping you proactively address potential problems. Don't let SMTP 421 4.4.1 errors disrupt your operations. Implement these troubleshooting and prevention strategies today. Visit Warmy.io to explore their email warm-up and deliverability testing services and ensure your emails always reach their destination. Like this video, subscribe for more technical insights, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments below.